Hello everyone and happy Friday. Before we share my analysis from these last few days, please remember that neither I nor the SIMETRI team from Crypto Briefing are licensed financial advisors. What we provide is not a personalised investment advice. It is merely our opinions based on our various research and diligence. As always, do your own research before making any decisions about buying or selling crypto. If we have a look at the key technical levels for Bitcoin, I think 15,500, if we break that, we can start the descent towards 14,000. The monthly pivot point is 20,000. The weekly pivot point for me is 18,000. If we get above there, then maybe we've got a shot towards 19,000, but I kind of doubt it. And at the moment, it's all about the key downside targets, which are 14 and 13,000 as well. A series of daily price closes below 16,000, and they'll probably start to attack towards the yearly low and then maybe a lot lower. If we get straight to the price charts, it's very simple. You can see this head and shoulders pattern is starting to play out. Maybe we'll get a minor pop up towards 18,000 in the next few days, but overall, the conditions of the market and this pattern, it looks like we're heading into that type of range where we're going to test to at least towards 13,000. And this range here is what we need to watch out for. So the market's going to maybe make a new high above this range soon, and that could be a fake out, and then we can see a drop. So this is what it's all about, the 15,500 to 18,000 range. And once we break out of that consolidation period, we're probably going to see a big move. But I think any move towards 18,000 are going to be sold. And bigger picture, if we have a look at the 2019 to late 2020 consolidation, that's around 13,600. So it makes a lot of sense. We'll eventually test beneath there. And obviously the multi-year rate or the breakout that really started above there, we are well below that now. The risk is moving underneath 13.6 and then the market slipping into a much lower range. But I kind of suspect that we're going to bounce back any moves into this range quite quickly. Again, I want to point your attention to those massive shorts, which is even more reason why we could see a little bit of a temporary rebound towards maybe 18.2 or something like that over the next few days. But do keep in mind what I'm saying about the heavily short on exchange at the moment. Overall, hoping for a move towards the 14,000. I don't know when it's going to come, but any bad news event and it can definitely start to drop off. Cannot discount a rally from current levels. If we start to hold above 17,000, that's been a sticking point today. A drop below 15.5, again, we're looking for a large decline. Bears are likely to target between 13 and 14,000, and then maybe we'll see a rebound. And that short ratio is still very high for Bitcoin. Moving straight to Ethereum. You can see it's a similar type scenario going on here where Ethereum slipped back underneath its range, and all indications are that we're going to start to move lower. Same similar type pattern to Bitcoin. I think maybe top of the range, maybe 13.5, but I doubt we're going to get that high. And we're more likely we're going to see new lows coming for Ethereum. The interesting part is this triangle type pattern is forming. Maybe we're going to move down towards the bottom of the triangle, which is close to $500. All the time we're capped inside there, and then maybe we could get a strong rebound. So that would be the kind of buy spot that I'd be looking for, around $500, something like that, if I were to throw my hat in the ring at the moment. So overall, Ethereum is probably headed much lower. Watch out for a selling opportunity, maybe 1,300, 1,400. A drop to 1,800 or lower is very possible. 1,000 certainly remains more likely than 1,600 at the moment. And thank you. I hope you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like more, please click the subscribe button for Pro BTC Trader and join me every week on Wednesdays for our live trading war room and daily email updates.